Hi, my name is Andrew Navarro, owner of Anago Cleaning Systems of Greater Philadelphia and South Jersey. For almost 25 years, we've provided top-notch commercial cleaning services for all kinds of industries, whether it be medical offices, gyms, office buildings, car dealerships, and so much more. Our clients love our wide range of services like carpet care, floor care cleaning, our green cleaning program, and our proprietary Protection Plus disinfection options. But what sets us apart from our competition is our customer service and proactive customer service. We are not just a cleaning company, we are your cleaning partner. We care about your needs, preferences, and satisfaction. We're flexible, reliable, and responsive. We work around your schedule, not ours. Whether you need us after hours, on weekends, short notice, we are always ready to serve you where you need us. We'll plan a walkthrough of your facility, learn about your property, listen to your concerns, and design a plan that's perfect for you. You're in charge. Don't settle for mediocre cleaning services that don't meet your standards. Trust us to handle the cleaning with professionalism and excellence. We have a proven track record of delivering high-quality commercial cleaning services every time. Let us show you why we are the best choice for your commercial cleaning needs. Call us today.